With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Today our question is to solve graphically 3y plus 5x is equal to 0 and 5y plus 2x is equal to 0. So we have given two equations of which we have to find, we have to draw the graph first, and then we will evaluate the values of x and y by the intersection point of these two lines, right? So the first line is 3y plus 5x is equal to 0. So for x is equals to 0, our y will become 3y plus 5 into 0 is equal to 0. 3y is equal to 0 and y will also 0. So we can write here that for x 0, y will also 0. If we put x is equals to 1 here, let's say we are putting x is equals to 1, then we will get 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 and y will become 5 upon 3, right? And this will be in negative on that side. So we will have approximately minus 1.66. So for x is equals to 1, we will have minus 1.66 value of y. And for x is equals to 3, let's say we are taking x is equals to 3 now, then we will have 3y plus 5 into 3 is equals to 0. That means 3y will be equals to minus 15 and y will become minus 5. So for x is equals to 3, our y will be minus 5. Now we will consider the second equation, and that is what our 5y plus 2x is equals to 0. 5y plus 2x is equals to 0. And that will give us, for x is equals to 0, our y will also become 0 here, right? And if we put x is equals to 5 here, for x is equals to 5, this equation will become 5y plus 10 is equals to 0, and that will give us 5y is equals to minus 10, and from there y will be equals to minus 10 upon 5 and minus 2. And for x is equals to 3, we will have 5y plus 3 times of 2 will give us 6, so is equals to 0, and y will become minus 6 upon 5. That means minus of 1.2. So the values for this equation will be xy, for x 0, y will also 0, for x 5, y will be minus 2, and for x is equals to 3, y will be minus 1.2, right? So these are our value for the second equation, right? This one. Now we will make the graph. For that we will first make the coordinate axis. So let's say these are our coordinate axis, and we can see here that the maximum value of y is going up to minus 2 in this case and minus 5 in the first one. So we will not make many points, we will not plot many points, we will just plot the needed one, then minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5, and here in the positive axis we will plot up to 5 only, right? Then in x-axis we can see that the highest value is going up to 5 for the second case and 3 for the first case. That means we can make the x-axis only till 5 points, right? And we don't have any negative value, so we won't plot them. This is what our x-axis, this is what our y-axis, and that is our minus y. Now we will plot the points. For first line we have 0, 0, x is 0, y is 0. Then we have x is 1 and y is minus 1.66. So x is 1 here and y is minus 1.66 will be right here, right, somewhere here. And the last point is 3 and minus 5. That means x is 3 and y is your minus 5. That means right here. Now we will connect these points, right? So connecting this point will give us this line, right? So that is what our equation for the first line. And the second line will lie on 0, 0, 5, minus 2. So we will plot these points now. 0, 0, right? And the another point is 5 and minus 2. 5 and minus 2. That means right here. The second point, third point is minus 3 and minus 1.2. That means 3 x-axis and y will be minus 1.2. That means somewhere here. Now we will connect these points as well. So we will see that this will give us, right, this will be our line, right? So that is what our line. Now we can see that the intersecting point of these two lines is x and y here 0, 0 only. This is what the intersecting point of these two equations. The first equation is 3y plus 5x is equal to 0. So we will write its name here. 3y plus 5x is equal to 0. And the second equation is 5y plus 2x is equal to 0. So this equation name is 5y plus 2x is equal to 0. And we can see that these two lines are intersecting at point 0, 0, which is the origin. So the solution for these two equations will be x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Right? So that is what our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.